Okay, now we're going to talk about our open close principle. Okay. Um, Again, open close principle in a nutshell is when you develop code or functionality and we make it so that you can only add on top of it. The pre-existing code should not be modified. We should write it in a way that locks that in place. Okay. So, and one way that we do that is with through the use of protocols. So when you go, a lot of times when you go into a company and you start going through the code base, what you're going to see is a lot of protocols there. Now, there are a lot of different reasons, but one main reason is that they're trying to use this open close principle. This open close principle states that the pre-existing code in the code base, if you want to add functionality to it, you don't modify it. You add to it. Okay? So that's what we're going to do. Now I'm going to show you how this works. Again, we use protocols to lock this in place. And if we want more functionality, then we create another method that adheres to our protocol. So when people ask you, when you go on your interview, your technical interview to get your senior developer position, I want you to remember this, okay? Because you will probably get asked. People will ask you what solid principles are, then you have to go through them, and then they're probably going to want you to explain them. That's why they're paying you the big bucks. So we have this. I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to create a protocol, right? That we're going to adhere to. It's called car price gen. You guys, you're gonna have to bear with me because for some reason, my fingers have Tourette syndrome. They keep saying the wrong thing. Okay, generate. So I'm going to generate price. And of course, as you know, this is the signature of this method. I'm just going to say MSRP. Sorry, MSRP. Give me a second. Resume. Okay, so we have our MSRP. This is of type. Oh, why is this doing this? What did I do? Double SRP, blue book, value, value, right, which is again is a double, right? And then inventory level, NVENTORY level. I'm trying to enter some realm of realism, but not really, right? And this returns a double. Okay. And that's what every function that we use. Guard generator. Oh, I'm sorry, price guard generator protocol, right? Price guard generator protocol, right? So now we have these class, right? And let's go ahead and let's go ahead and create some classes. So we're gonna have, right now we have one called simple price guard. Simple price guard generator, right? And it adheres to price guard generator par price guard generator protocol, right? We have another one called class discounted. If I spell class right, discounted price par generator discounted price card generator. Okay, car price generator protocol, right? And then let's see. So we have these two methods, right? And inside of them, they have this. What? We're gonna add these stubs, generate price, generate price. Both of them have methods called generate price. Okay. And they have their own different right? They have their and I'm gonna create very nonsensical calculation, right? So I'm gonna say this MSRP, I'm gonna add all of these, right? MSRP plus plus blue book value, right? And no, this is not plus blue book value, right? Right, divided by, and I'm gonna cast as a double. Again, this is inventory level, right? And this is and for this one, I'm gonna do something similar. This is just to illustrate something, right? This is not dividing, this is multiplying. Okay. So now we have two functions. So now if I need, let's say we have the simple price card generator, discounted price card generator, right? We can add another one. We can add more functions to this, right? So simple price card generator class may have something else that does something with generating the price. I don't know, right? We'll just say for argument's sake. And this has other methods for helping generate the price, right? But we know this for sure. Come hella high water, this class must implement this, and this is locked in. Period. We aren't returning anything different. We aren't accepting different parameters. This keeps our code maintainable. And on top of that, we don't risk breaking this, okay? We don't risk breaking it. And if we do break something in the class, we know it's not here because we can't touch it, right? That's one thing. Another thing too is that again, adhering to the other principle, I mean not open close, but Jesus, what is the other I forgot what the other one is. Yeah, adhering to the single responsibility principle. We aren't putting anything in this class that does something else, right? All we're doing is calculating car price, right? We aren't creating tickets or discounts or none of that, okay? Calculating the we're calculating the process, calculating the cost for a simple car, calculating the cost for a discount car, okay? That's it. So hopefully that makes it very clear what open close does and how it works. You lock things in place with this and it doesn't get moved. This must adhere. And again, with the single responsibility, only thing else that goes in here is something that assists with this, nothing else. Okay? 2 down, 2 to go. On to the next.